Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of Duolingo. You click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about the application of Duolingo and you will enter. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and take